Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.5% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
India's July crude imports from Russia dipped for the first time in 9 months, while inbound shipments from Saudi Arabia tumbled to their lowest in 2.5 years, following OPEC Plus cuts. Tanker data from trade and industry sources showed. BOJ Governor Ueda said that he and Prime Minister Fumio Kishida held talks on economic developments, but did not discuss recent volatile currency moves. The talks took place in the wake of the dollar's recent ascent above 145 yen, a level that last year triggered Japan's first yen-buying operation since 1998. Coinbase is getting a minority stake in Circle Internet Financial, and the companies are dissolving their Center Consortium partnership that had issued USDC, the world's second-largest stablecoin. As part of the move, Circle will bring issuance and governance of USDC fully in-house.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The US new home sales at 1400 hours GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence ADJ at 0430 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.